So in Let's Find Out, we are going to solve more questions. So let's get started. Number 2. X cubed minus y cubed, and x is equal to 5, y is equal to z. So we substitute those numbers into this expression. Then what we get? We get 5 to the third power minus, well, here, since we have y is equal to z and we plug in y for z, so z cubed, and 5 to the third power, that's 5 times 5 times 5, right, minus z cubed, and 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 minus z cubed, and 5 times 25 is 125 minus z cubed, and that's the answer. Okay, next one. Number 5, a squared plus b squared, a divided by a squared, and a is 7, b is 5, and, well, we substitute, okay, right? A is 7, so 7 squared plus b is 5, so 5 squared and 7 squared. Then 7 times 7 is 49 plus 5 times 5 is 25 divided by 49. Then we get 4 and 74. 49 plus 25 is 74 divided by 49 is the answer. Right? It's pretty easy, right? It's pretty easy. There's no hard things about this lesson. So what about which one should we try more? Let's try number 7. Let's try number 7. X times 4 plus y times 3 plus 2 squared, and x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and 2 is equal to 5. So x is what? 2 times 4 plus 3 times 3 plus, now this one is 2 squared, but since it says 2 is equal to 4, we have to put 4 squared. Okay, we substitute 2 for this number 4. So if we do this computation, we get 8 plus 9 plus 4 times 4 is 16. 8 plus 9 plus 16 is 25, and 25 plus 8 is 33 is the answer. Okay, more questions. Let's try number 15 and finish this lesson. Number 15. X plus y plus z, the whole thing cubed, and x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 4. Now, well, it's the same thing. We plug in those variables, those numbers into this expression. So x is what? 2 plus y is 3 plus z is equal to 4, the whole thing to the third power, and 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 to the third power, which is same thing as 9 times 9 times 9, and 9 times 9 is 81 81 times 9, and 81 multiplied by 9 is 1 times 9 is 9, 8 times 9 is 72, so answer is 729 is the answer. So in lesson 4 we have learned how to deal with expressions with exponents. So in the previous lesson we have learned about base, coefficient, and exponents, and in this lesson we have learned how to calculate such things like if we have x squared plus y squared and we are given x is equal to some number, y is equal to some number, then we plug in these numbers into these variables, then we get some numerical value, right? So those are the things that we have learned in this lesson. So now see you in the next lesson.